Holy smokes!
Yeah.
Are those 15s?
Yeah.
Wow! Whoa! Could you go turn it down real quick? Oh, that's pretty sweet, man.
Yeah,
It controls everything right there.
that's my DSP.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, I'm down to sub right now.
Yeah.
This one's acting funny, but she's still playing.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I get in? I got you. Oh, man. Is it 6? Are these 18s or 21?
21s, 621s, 6 order.
6 of them. Whoa.
22 in the back, 44 in the front.
What kind of subs are they?
DD 99 series, supercharged.
And power-wise, where you at?
I'm running 3 DD M5s, running about roughly 30,000.
Okay. Oh, nice paint job.
Yeah, let me get that blazer right there actually did the paint job.
Nice. Okay. Sweet. So did you close your port in just a little bit?
Yeah, I'm still haven't like quite figured the whole port out yet.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of closing it off slightly. Like this isn't even actually sitting in there yet.
Okay.
But yeah,
Sweet.
we gotta get the made of steel, so.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah.
Not many days do you see somebody have 621s.
No, there's only one other guy.
So what happened to the sub, you think?
I'm thinking one of the leads came loose inside the sub.
Yes, sir.
Because it'll come on and off, and sometimes it'll be playing, and then sometimes it won't. So I think a lead inside is coming loose. So.
Do you ever notice the back two load a little different than the others? Just curious. I'm trying to learn.
Not really. They all load basically the same. It's,
Even by the
I have the port in the back. It's not all just at the top. It's half of the bottom. half of the
okay.
top.
So you got some loading. Okay,
Yeah, so you got loading down there.
Yes, sir.
and loading on top.
Awesome. Back open? I can see that.
Yeah, you can check it out.
Awesome. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
crazy, man. 2 15s on each door?
Yeah,
Holy
215
crap.
door, 3 12s in the center.
Wow.
Couple horns.
Have you ever metered it when you had everything right? The sub running and all? Did you ever burp it?
One time I metered it, it was like a 58. But
Yeah. Woo. Musical for sure.
yeah, for sure. She plays everything.
Wow. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around he was of his 621 inch subs he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I really like the whole amplifier layout that he has in the back with 3 amp cooling fans to keep these amplifiers cool. Really powerful M5DD audio amplifiers. The way the amplifier is actually mounted seems really efficient as well for nice airflow, no vibration issues, and of course he has a lot of power lithium bank supporting this system. Find out all the electrical specs from the alternator power to lithium bank, but I could tell he has over 200 amp hour lithium and 3 full high output alternators for his system. And if you didn't notice in the back, he has a 6th order rear port tuning, so there is an actual bottom chamber for these subwoofers. Really amazing to see him fit 621-inch subs in here. A good bit of subwoofer flex action inside and also on the outside. There was crazy hair tricks going on as well as shirt tricks flying around during the demo we're getting to now. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing on my channel JacobViral for daily YouTube videos. So hit that notification bell and enjoy the demo. Man, you built this for the lows, didn't you?
Oh yeah, this is just pure demo low matrix.
So what happened to the sub, you think?
I'm thinking one of the leads came loose inside the sub.
Yes, sir.
Because it'll come on and off, and sometimes it'll be playing, and then sometimes it won't. So I think a lead inside is coming loose. So.
Do you ever notice the back two load a little different than the others? Just curious. I'm trying to learn.
Not really. They all load basically the same. It's,
even by the port?
I have the port in the back. It's not all just at the top. It's half of the bottom.
Oh, okay. So you got some loading. Okay,
Yes, you got loading down there.
Yes, sir.
Handling on top.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
No doubt, man.
Thank you for the.